Hi, I'm going to give you a quick overview of QuickScore. It's the first software package designed to automate the Balanced Scorecard Institute's 9 steps to success. It's 100% web-based, but above all, it's easy to use. So I'm going to log in here as Connor Crimmins, and the first screen it takes me to is the Bookmarks section. This is where you're going to do 90% of your work in the application. Right here, I've got 6 of my favourite screens bookmarked, so with a simple click I can go straight to them, rather than digging through the application. This is the welcome screen, so here we have a place you can show your corporate logo, and here your administrator message. This is quite an important section here, the metrics I own section. I currently own 4 metrics, and as you can see, 2 are green, 1 is red, and 1 is yellow. And the actual values for this current month are shown here. So I'm going to click on the red metric and drill, and what this does is take me to the Parks and Recreation Department organisation, and into the Parks and Recreation scorecard. And I can see that I'm currently performing red, and that I've been hovering around the red area for a few months now. It's right around November or December that it took a sharp drop. If you want to see more historic information, just click the slider, and we have a greater view of the trend over time for this particular metric. In the Performance Measure Info section, we have the name, the description, some other details, and links so that I can email the owners and updaters. Let's go back to the Bookmarks section. Another great piece of functionality in QuickScore are strategy maps. These are really important in balanced scorecards, and you can see at a glance how your company is doing. It looks like here that we have 2 objectives that are performing badly. This little arrow in the upper left-hand corner means that it's trending downwards. So if we click on that arrow, we have some more detailed information. We can add in a trend line, and in fact we see that over the last year it's trending upwards, only over the last month it's trending downwards. And just like anything else in the application, clicking on a particular object will drill down and give us more detailed information about what's going on behind the scenes. So this is currently showing both of the metrics underneath Enhanced Workforce Retention and Recruitment. And we have some information on each metric here, but we can drill down even further if we like, and get a more detailed overview. Now let's say I want to add this screen to my bookmarks. It's pretty simple. I just click the Send To button, and as you can see here I've got a number of options, including Word, Excel and PowerPoint. But right now I'm going to choose My Bookmarks. Give it a name, click OK, and now it's been saved to my bookmarks. So when I go back to my bookmark screen, we can see it here on the left. Even though this is a web application, it still behaves like a desktop application. So if I want to move this, I can just drag and drop it like this. And if I want to delete it, I can just right-click and choose Delete. Similar to strategy maps, we also have dashboards. Dashboards are like a blank canvas, so as well as these bubbles, you can also add all kinds of objects from the system onto one screen. Let's click the Edit button and take a look at how dashboards work. So it's very similar to PowerPoint. Each of these objects are independently floating on the canvas, and they can all be resized and moved however you like. We can change our objects very easily too. So for instance, let's make this into a bar chart as well as a line chart. And although it's web-based, no additional plugins are required. So you can see that very simply and quickly, and without any additional training, it's easy to create attractive dashboards so that you can view your data in a way that suits you best. Back to bookmarks again. The QuickScore software has really powerful reporting built in. Here's a report I wrote that shows all the red performance measures for county government, anything that's been red over the last 4 months. And like always, you can drill down. And here's another report showing 4 financial key metrics. Finally, QuickScore supports tasks. If a metric is performing poorly, you can assign a task to improve its performance, or you can just track how a project proceeds over time. Here I'm looking at all the tasks involved with the delayed retirement program. So with one click of a button, I can send an email to any assigned users, I can check to see if we're over budget, I can add dates to my calendar, and so on. It's a great piece of functionality because you can see exactly what's getting done. So that's a really simple overview of QuickScore. It collects all your data into one place so that you can report on it and view it at a glance, and helps to make your business run smoothly.